Today we're going to be looking at a tool that's known for its power and durability. That's the Milwaukee M18 FUEL hammer drill driver. Whether you're a professional contractor or DIY enthusiast, this drill is designed to handle the toughest jobs. So let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. The M18 FUEL hammer drill driver is part of Milwaukee's famous FUEL lineup, powered by their Powerstate brushless motor, which delivers up to 1,200 inch-pounds of torque. This makes it one of the most powerful drills on the market. Now, right out of the box, the first thing you're going to notice is the solid build quality. It feels tough in your hand, and Milwaukee really nailed the design with their all-metal ratcheting chuck, which helps ensure a strong grip on your bit and even during high torque applications. Now let's talk power. This drill has serious muscle, producing up to 2,000 RPMs and a maximum torque of 1,200 inch-pounds. Whether you're drilling into concrete, metal, wood, it doesn't back down from the challenge. Now in hammer drill mode, it chews through tough materials with ease. Whether you're anchoring into masonry or working with dense wood, it performs flawlessly. Now let's talk a little bit about the drill itself. We have two speeds, first and second gear. Of course, first gear is going to be more torque. Second gear is going to be higher RPMs. You have a 16 position clutch, not including your hammer drill and drilling setting. Again, you have an all full metal chuck, which is great. Down here you have a light. Pull the trigger, light comes on. You have a variable speed trigger as well. Forward, backwards, of course, middle is locking. Like most drills, on the sides we have rubber here in the event we drop it. We're going to try to protect that metal gear housing as much as we possibly can. We have a belt clip as well, and this can go on either side. Now, because this is a hammer drill, we also have a handle that comes with it. I like the way this handle design. It's not one piece, it's not plastic, it's metal. You can simply put it on like this, and it can go on either side. Now, you can either put this on beforehand or after. We're just going to slide this through there like that, and then we'll screw that in and tighten that down. Now, of course, you don't have to put this together on the drill, but you can. And then we just tighten it down to whatever position is comfortable, tightens onto the grill. Again, you now have a handle to hold your drill. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more tool reviews, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. And let me know in the comments what you think about the Milwaukee M18 hammer drill, or if there's another product you want to see me review, please let me know. As always, we'll catch you on the next one.